This is Talk 650, powered by CBS Radio.
The Houston Astros have literally stepped up to the plate to take a swing against leukemia this weekend. Marty Price is the Senior Vice President of Events and Guest Services for the Astros, an accomplished executive in the hospitality industry, kind of blending it with sports. It's good to have you in studio this morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
What in the world have you cooked up for the Leukemia Society this weekend?
On Saturday night at Minute Maid Park, game starts at 6 o'clock when we take on the San Diego Padres and beat the San Diego Padres.
Yes.
It's an event where you can buy a ticket, come and have some fun and raise some money for leukemia and lymphoma, and wanted to make it a little bit fun and really tied to baseball, so has a little bit of a beer tasting to it where guests can come up here and try some of the craft beers that are out there and get a chance to meet Astros great Jimmy Wynn, a little meet and greet, and have a typical hot dog meal, and while you're there, you're raising money for such a great charity as Leukemia and
This
Lymphoma.
is a neat idea. It's Strike Out Blood Cancers at Minute Maid Park this coming Saturday. The Jimmy Wynn thing is what caught me, because I remember going to the Astrodome as a child, and I saw those home runs that Jimmy Wynn used to knock, and you couldn't knock him out of the park because it was in the Astrodome. You know, so I think they would just bounce off the walls or something out there. Always left an indelible mark in my memory watching that happen. And to see him this Saturday, that's going to be very cool.
Yeah, Jimmy is he's just a phenomenal guy. He's just a lot of fun to talk to. I don't think he knows he's famous, but he is famous.
Oh, is that right?
He's always so great. He works in our community department, and I asked him to do this, and he jumped up and said absolutely. So great chance to come and meet the Toy Cannon and have some fun with him, and he does so much for the community.
He really does. Here's the package, ladies and gentlemen. You can strike out blood cancers at Minute Maid Park this weekend. It's a night of Astros baseball. You get a sample of a variety of import and domestic beers in the comfort of the Champions Pavilion, and the tickets will include, it's a mezzanine ticket, 8 3-ounce samples, and you can buy more if you want to. There's a ballpark meal, there's a meet and greet with Jimmy Wynn, and then a chance to bid on some exclusive Astros memorabilia in a silent auction, and the entire package can be yours for only $40. And the cool part about this is, part of it goes to the Leukemia Lymphoma Society.
Yep, half of it goes to Leukemia and Lymphoma, and we're going to raise a lot of money on Saturday night and see the Astros win. Did you see the game last night?
I did not see last night's game.
Okay.
I was preparing for the show here.
Okay, all right, we got to see the highlights. We won 11-2, and it's great to see these kids out there. And
it's exciting.
Yeah. So we're going to see these young guys grow up and see the next Bagwell and Bijos. So this year's going to be a lot of fun.